Hey, this is Tanisha, and today we'll be talking about abstract challenge number 36 of 100. And as always, for those of you who are new, welcome to the channel. So what I'm doing is abstract challenges where I spend about 15 minutes on each challenge, just trying different techniques in order to use it in my actual abstract challenge. So the goal is not to complete a painting, but to play. And I think a lot of people don't realize how important it is to play. It's not only just fun, but important for your abstract practice if you're an abstract artist. So here the goal today is to play around with alcohol inks. I'm sorry, not alcohol inks. With acrylic inks, different acrylic inks that I have. So I have different brands, a lot of different varieties. So the goal is to play around with it, try it in different ways. So actually today, I don't typically use a wooden board, but today that's all I had access to because I'm still getting used to my new studio and getting everything organized. And to be honest, we are definitely playing around here because I didn't even put gesso on this wood board. I just started going in. So typically I would put gesso, but hey, let's just take this as an experiment. Now I have used alcohol, I keep saying alcohol inks. I have used these type of acrylic inks just a little bit, and they're usually pretty vibrant. So the one, maybe 2 times I've used it was pretty vibrant. So I'm noticing that the wood is definitely soaking some of it up. So this is again an experiment, a test. This is a way for us to learn, how these inks react to being on plain wood. Next time, I'd probably start with some gesso and get an idea what that looks like. So that might be another challenge in itself. So here I have no plan. I have no plan on the colors I'm using. I'm just trying different things like spraying water. I did actually add some acrylic paint here and just play around with the alcohol inks that way as well. Now, I haven't added it yet. I think I'm playing around with some gold ink here, or bronze, something like that. But yeah, there's absolutely no plan. This is all about playing, and I really, really suggest you go ahead and not go ahead, but just consider playing. Consider playing in your art practice because it'll help you to learn what you love, what you don't love. And if you listen to my channel, you've probably heard me say that over and over and over again, but it's so important. Everything doesn't always have to be pretty. I think my channel gets kind of put down because I'm not always creating something super pretty, and that's okay. This channel is not about being, the cutest. It's about, being realistic, that sometimes we have to play to learn, and sometimes it doesn't always look pretty. So if I have to take a hit for that, then I do. I will in the future definitely show more completed paintings and more of me actually working on my paintings. I'm working on that, getting that set up with the new studio, so there'll be more of that soon. And actually there's just going to be more chit-chatting as well outside of just talking about the challenge. I just thought it'd be nice to share and connect with you, and yeah, on a different level. So I look forward to the changes to the channel. But yeah, I'm really having so much fun with these inks, just playing around, mixing things in, trying different brushes. It's a lot of fun. I wish I had put some gesso on, so I will revisit this with gesso in another video, and we'll see how it looks compared to this one, how things are going with this video. So I had so much fun just playing around with this. Of course, if I was to finish this, there's a lot more I need to do, like add more lights, more darks, different things like that. But this was a lot of fun. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get playing with your inks if you have any, and I'll be talking to you in the next video.